Welcome to computer aided drafting class. Students, this is exercise number 15 from your handout. This we have already done earlier and the video is also uploaded in the YouTube. We had done in a particular way. Now I am showing you an easy alternative way to do this drawing. Okay. So now what shall we do? See here, what is the sizes you have got? You have got 10 and you have got 62. So if we fix the limit of 100 and 100 in AutoCAD, it is more than enough. It is more than enough. Okay. So let me go to AutoCAD. I will go and open ACAD ISO 3D drawing. Okay. Now it has opened now. Now I will fix the limits. First type limits, LIM limits. The moment I type the limits, it is showing me in the bottom what it is showing. Let me write it 0, 0, enter, and the upper end corner I will write it as 100, 100, enter. Okay. So now I have already fixed the limit. Let me type Z, enter, E, enter, zoom extends. Now my drawing space is fixed now, decided. Now let me go back. First let me switch on the ortho mode, and now I will go to the drawing. I will go to the drawing and see what is the size I need. I need 62 and 100. Okay, so let me draw 62 here like this. Enter. Sorry, I will go to the top view and do it. I will go to the top view and do it. I will delete this. Now here you can see you have got an unsaved view. I will just go here. I will type top view. Okay. The moment I type top view, it has shifted like this. Now I will change it to what? I will change it to 3D wireframe. I have got x-axis, I have y-axis, z-axis is facing me. Now what I should do now? Now I have got this one, that is 62, and this is 100. Okay. I will draw 62, enter. Then I will go up, I will write 100, enter. I will come back, 62, enter. I will come back and close. Okay. I have done this one. This is the base. The base is prepared. I will prepare the complete footprint as much as possible on the surface of this one. Okay. On this face. Now what is this height? This one is 37, is it not? So let me just come and make 37. I will go make offset through, select this line. I will come down like this. This is 37. Okay. I have this one. Then which is the other one? Now on this side, see here, this is 25. Okay. Let me select the center line. Now I will escape. I will draw a center line. I will draw a center line. I will just go to O snap, select the midpoint, and I will just draw here. Okay. Do I need the whole length? I don't need the whole length. I will just do from here to here. Okay. Enter. So now what do I need now? I need to offset this one. Offset by, I will go and select through 12.5. Why 12.5? You will see it. Or even we don't need this. What I will do is, I will delete this one. Now let me go back here. So what is this size? This size is 25, is it not? And this size, where is the other size? Do I have this size? Yeah, he has given me here as 37. Okay, he has given me as 37. So let me offset it, that is better. I will draw a line from the midpoint to this point, enter. So now I will offset by 12.5. Which one? This line I will offset by 12.5. Same, I go like this, offset by 12.5. Just give me a minute, let me redo it. Okay. And then again, what else I have got? I have got 37. What is half of 37? 38 will be 19, is it not? So it should be 18.5. Okay, so what I will do is I will offset by 18.5. Which one? This one. This one I will offset this side. Same thing, I will offset this side. Okay, now I will remove this center line, I don't need it. And then what else is there? I need to join between this corner and this corner. Similarly, I will join this corner with this corner. Okay, having done this, the other lines I will just remove, these vertical lines. This I put it only to create this drawing. Okay, so I have this one. So what else is there now? There is a hole also. Let me create that hole. See, there is a hole in the middle. How much is this? This distance is 20. Okay, and then this side it is how much? This side it is again on the middle line. Okay, so I will just draw what is the diameter of this hole. 10. The diameter of the hole is 10. Let me go here, draw a line here. Then I will offset this line by how much? 20. So I have this, I am doing only to locate the hole. Now the diameter of the hole is how much? 10. I go by the selection. Where is that? Intersection is here. I will remove the center, midpoint, all these things I will remove. So here, how much I need? 10. Okay, so this is created now. Now I will delete this line as well as this line. I will delete. I will not make the holes here. Why I don't want to make the holes over here? Because I want to make holes to a certain depth. I don't want through holes. Now let us make the slot over here. Let us see what is the size of the slot. From here it is 20. You have 20 and this is 15. Okay. So let me just go back. I will offset by 20. Which one? This line I will offset by 20. Same line I will offset by 20. And then I will draw a line from the midpoint. Let me select the midpoint from O snap. I will just go here, draw like this. Now I need to draw a circle of diameter how much? 15. Okay, so let me draw a circle of diameter 15 from intersection. I will remove midpoint. I will just take intersection 15. Again I will draw one more at 15. Now I have this. Now I will draw tangent. I will draw tangent from here. Let me remove all these endpoints and other things, intersection, everything I will remove. I will draw tangent from here to here. Enter. Then tangent from this to this one. Enter. Now let's remove these lines. I don't need this, and even I don't need this line. Okay. Now I will go to trim command, cut and remove this, and then cut and remove this. So we have completely prepared except few things. Okay, we have not made the holes over there. Let it be there. This we can do it later. Now let's go and select south east view. See here, south east view I have selected. See your drawing is almost like this, isn't it? So now what I will do is, what is this height? The height is 44. Okay, I will not pull everything. I will only pull this side by how much? What is this height? This height is 22. And what about this center one? This center one, what is the total height? Total height is 44. Out of 44, you remove 12. So then the center one will be 32. Okay. So what I will do? First I will pull the center one by 32. I will just go. And the back side one is how much? 44. Let's pull the back side first. Press pull. Click here. I just go up 44. And then this one press pull. I will come up like this. I will make it 32. Then again I will go press pull this one 44. Okay. Now what about this portion? This portion, the height is 20. Total height is how much? 20. So I will just go press pull this one by how much? 20. Okay, so I have done this one. So let me change the shape to standard shade with edges. Now see here, all are different pieces. Now I will just go make union. See this one, this is a separate piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them I have joined them together. So it became a single piece now. Now what is left for me? Now what I have to do is I have to create a slot here. So I have to make a Z axis inside. So now what I will do, I will take this one as my face. I will just go over here, bring my face, select the face over here. I will select the face here. See, I have selected the face. Now you can see the squares are all sitting on this face. Now I will select the direction of Z axis also. I will just go click here, come like this. See, this is my Z axis. Okay, everything is ready now. So what I will do now, I will copy the edges. I will just go here, instead of extract edges I will say copy edge. Which edge I want to copy? Just please see here. What is this height? This height is 6 and this is 50. 50 means out of 62, 50 goes is 12. So this is 6, this is also 6. Height is also 6. Okay, so I will go back here. I will extract the edge, click on the edge, click on the edge, enter. Sorry, did not take because we have got a, let me just move this one out because you have a, see this footprint at the bottom. Let me just delete all this footprint. Okay, now I will move my drawing back. Now I can do it. Copy edge. Where is the edge? This is my edge. Okay, enter. From where I want to copy? From the end point, is it not? Select from O snap, select end point of this up. Okay, in this direction I have to copy by how much? 6, enter. Okay, then let me say copy edge. Which edge? This edge, enter. From where? From this corner, this side, come like this, 6. See, it is already there. Similarly, copy edge. Which one? This edge, enter. From where? From the end point, click here, go this side and 6. It has done. Now see, you have got a square here. Now what I will do, press pull on this one, click, just go out like this, just drag it. Don't worry about the dimension, just go out of it because we are cutting it. Just click now. See that? You have already created what? You have already created a slot at the bottom. Okay. So now you can just go click on this orbit, press the mouse button and see very nicely your drawing is completely done. Okay. So now what I need to do now, I need to just refix my drawing. It is in the proper position now. Now I need to make one hole here, I need to make another hole here. So that is on this plane I have to do. I have to go to this face, select this face. Let me just go here. So what is the dimensions of the hole? This is 44, right? 44. This is how much? This is 16. First let me offset this edge by how much? 12. Okay. Now let me go back. Now where is my x, y, z? Z is there. So now I need to go take the face here. Where is the face? This command is here. Just go here, select the face. I am selecting the face here. Okay, I have selected the face. Now I will just go select the axis. From where? Let it be this way because I need to go down, is it not? Okay, fine. So because I have to extrude the hole down, that's why I put the Z down. Down or up, it doesn't matter. So now along the x axis I will just go and copy edge, select this edge, fine. Okay, enter. From where? From the midpoint or any point you can say. Let me select the midpoint. The midpoint means it catches here. Midpoint come in this direction. How much I need? 12. See there? I copied the edge. Okay. So similarly I will copy this edge also. Enter. From where? From the midpoint. comes in this direction 12. Okay, now what I have got 12 I have done. So this is 44. Out of 62, 44 is gone, means you have got 18. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So from the corner I have to shift by 9. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just go here, go back to the drawing. So now I will draw a circle. What is the diameter of the circle? I will draw a line first. Okay, just a minute. I will draw a line from this corner. I will come like this. How much I need? 9. Enter. Okay, so I will make it little big. I will escape. Now I will just delete this one. Just see here, I will delete this line because if I let me change the frame. Okay, so now let me delete this. See, you have got a line of length 9. Okay, so now what I will do, I will I will draw a circle. What is the diameter now? The diameter is, he says, 2 holes, 6 diameter, deep 20. Okay, 6 diameter. Now I will just go back here. Sorry, I will just go back here. From remove the midpoint and all other stuff because I want only from the end point. I will remove this line. Why this line is there? I don't need it. I removed it. See, from this point, how much? 6 is the diameter, is it not? 6 is the diameter. I did it. Okay. So now in the same way, what I will do, I will remove this. I will remove this line. I don't need it. Okay. So what I will do is, I will draw a line from this corner. I will so I have this line. So another one, how much I need? 12, is it not? So I will draw 12 from this corner. I will go like this. In this direction I will make 12. Anyway, this circle is there. First let me do it here on this one. Draw a line. Draw a line from where? From this corner I will go like this. In this direction. Let me remove these endpoints because they are bothering me. I will just only keep endpoint like this. See there, it is there. Enter. Escape. Now I will just delete the unwanted line. This was the line which I had drawn earlier. I will make a circle. From where I will make a circle? From the end point of this one. How much? 6, is it not? Okay. So I have it there. So now what I should do now, I will just go back and fix it. I have it over here. Whatever I don't need, I will just delete them. Do I need this line? I don't need this line. I will just delete this line. Okay. So similarly, I don't need. I have a problem here. I'm not really sure whether I have drawn the line correctly or not. Let me just change it and check. Maybe the circle is also not drawn correctly. Okay. So now I have it here. Let me just check the frame. See, there is a line there. I want to delete this line. Which is this line? This line I don't need it. Okay, fine. Now what I will do, I will go back and change the color to shaded color I have here. So now I will make a hole. Again there is one more line here. Let me draw a line from this corner. I should go how much? I should go like this. In this direction I should go 12. Then again I will come like this, because okay, like this I will come how much? 12. Okay, Fine. So I have here, now I will draw the circle from this end point of this. I will draw like this. How much? 6 diameter. Okay. Now I have it. Now I will delete whatever lines I don't need it. I don't need this line. I will delete it. I have drawn one more line here. Be careful. No need. Okay. Enter. Now what I have to do now? I have to make press pull. Click on this one. Go down. Okay. How much I have to go down? It is going up or going down. He tells that I have to go down by 20. Okay. So I will go down by 20 like this. It will come up, I know, because the direction it is taking. So I will again make minus 20. Okay. Click here. Just go down. You type minus 20. Okay. It made the hole. So similarly, press pull. Go here. It will select only half because there is a line here. See, there is a line here. Understand? So what I will do now, I will select this half, go down, no problem, minus 20, and then again this half, go down, minus 20. See, everything is done now. Now make your drawing small, move it out now. All those lines, whatever are hiding and confusing you, they will come out. See there? These lines are all there. Just delete them. Z, enter, E, enter, zoom extend. Now see, your drawing is completely ready. So now what I have to do now, I have to go to layout view, just delete everything, enter. Now go here to select the angle of projection. Now go to base, select and come here. Which should be the base? Is this the base? No, because see here, because he says this is the front view, is it not? So we need to change it. Just go here, check the right one. See, yes, this seems to be the right one. Okay, I'll just go and click over here, enter. Then I will go up, click, come here, click, and then go here, click, enter. See, your drawing is there. Now you can increase the size of the drawing also. If you click here, you can see your drawing is how much. It is telling this is 1:2. Okay, so now what can I do? I can make it as 1:1. If I make it as 1:1, see, it became big. Now at least you are able to see it, right? So you can click on this one and you can move it out like this. Okay, now your drawing is ready. What is the next job for me? Next job for me is to cut and make the sectional front view. Okay, so how do I make the sectional front view? Just put on this one and move this one little up. Escape. And this one also click and move it little down. Okay. Maybe I may not have enough space. That's why I'm looking. I will just go. Now select this one. Now what I will do? I will take section. See, full section I will take. I will select the midpoint. Go to ortho. O snap, select the midpoint, see, selected here, come and select here, just come down, see, enter. Beautifully it has given. Now you need to do the dimensions. As I said, go to annotate, dimensions, modify, whatever color you want you can choose. For lines I will choose as, let us say, blue color, and for text I am selecting as magenta. Okay, and then I will go to primary units. I will change it to 0, no need because I don't have any decimals. Okay, and then I have got text. Yeah, I have already selected. Now let me just go here, say okay. The sizes I did not change. Now let me go the size. See here, from here to here, what is the size? Beautifully it is showing. See, 100. Between this point and this point it is how much? 6. I don't know, it is 62. Yeah, it is 62, correct. And then I have got the height. What is the height from here to the bottom? It is 44. Now I will come over here. What is this size? From here to here it is 6. And then from here to here you can easily mark it. It is how much? 50. So similarly you have got other dimensions. From this point to this point it is 37. between this point to this point it is 25. Okay, and then I'll just go here, radius, select the radius. Do I have radius? No, let me select the yeah, radius is there here, yes, this one. Okay, radius 8, and then between this point and this point it is how much? 15. See, since I had made it took 8 because in the annotation I have made 0 point. That's why let me delete this one. Where is that? Let me go to home. I have to change the annotation. Okay, go to annotate, click on this one, sorry, go to annotate, and here in the modify in the units, please make it as 0.0. okay, now see, this made it as 7.5. It was showing 8 because of that precision. Now let me just go make diameter. The diameter of this hole is how much? Click on this one, 510. Diameter of this hole is how much? 5.6. And then from here to here it is how much? See, 20. Correct? Is there any other thing? Yes, there is one more dimension here, that is from this point to the bottom. How much is this? 6. 44. What else is there? I have the dimensions for the other edge, because since I have done this one, the other dimensions are already known, you can calculate it. So almost everything is done now. I have to give you the height of this one from here to here. So the height is 20. And then what about the length? The length I have already shown there, no need to show it here, but just for the purpose of distribution of the dimensions, I am just showing you here, between here to here, what is the size? Okay, so almost we are there. So we have done everything. Now you need to put the borders, that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video.